Hello students, in this video we will discuss question and answer of lesson 4 An Officer and a Gentleman of your English fairy book. So let's start. Firstly we will do question and answer of exercise B given in page number 51. It was a moment of great satisfaction to him. Question A. Whom does the word him refer to? Answer. The word him refers to Colonel Vasant. Question B. Which moment has been talked about here? Answer. It was the moment when he went down a dangerous slope to rescue a trapped deer. Question C. Why was the moment satisfying to him? Answer. The moment was satisfying to him because he had saved a deer which was trapped in dangerous slope as he valued life in every form. Your human attitude coming barely 72 hours after gunning hardcore terrorists in the same area is praiseworthy. These lines you have to write in inverted comma and then you will start writing question A. Who wrote these words and to whom? Answer. Colonel Vasant wrote these words to his men of the 9th Maratha Light Infantry. Question B. What does the speaker mean by human attitude? Answer. Human attitude means a kind and considerate attitude towards fellow humans. Then again you will write these lines in inverted comma. He was a true soldier who was dedicated to the country and his force. After writing these lines, you will write question A. Who said these words and about whom? The Chief of Army Staff General J.J. Singh said these words to Colonel Vasant. Question B. How had he dedicated his life to his country? Answer. In the final encounter, he led from the front and helped to gun down terrorists and also ensured all 8 infiltrators were whipped out before he was hit by a bullet and killed. Now you will write answer the following question from exercise C. Question 1. What were Colonel Vasant's interests as a child? Colonel Vasant's interests as a child were reading war stories and sketching uniformed soldiers and army weapons. Second question. What was the motto of this brave officer? The motto of this brave officer was, I go where my men go. Question 3. What tells you that he was a simple man at heart? Answer. He was a simple man at heart because he craved for simple things like ordering a pizza, eating hot chocolate fudge, and drinking filter coffee. Question 4. Why were the soldiers hesitating to save the deer? Answer. The soldiers were hesitating to save the deer because the deer was trapped in an undergrowth below a cliff. How did his soldiers regard Colonel Vasant? Answer. The soldiers regarded him with great respect and looked upon him as a fair-minded officer. They also trusted him completely. Question 6. How did Colonel Vasant show great courage in the Uri encounter? In Uri encounter, Colonel Vasant showed his great courage. He led from the front and helped to gun down 8 terrorists before he was martyred. Now questions from exercise D. Question 1. What do you think served as a motivating factor for Colonel Vasant? Answer. The motivating factor for Colonel Vasant was his great love for his country. Second question. Do you think Colonel Vasant was a true hero? Why? Answer. Yes, Colonel Vasant was a true hero. He was very courageous and always led his men from the front and would be with his troops even in the face of great danger. So children, write all the questions and answer in proper handwriting, and after each answer draw a line with pencil. Thank you.